What up, nigga? I'm the nation, so we got.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and yes, the much awaited Butter album unboxing is here. So I basically bought both the versions, the peaches and the cream. I'm really excited to see the photo book and everything. What are the goodies that I'll get inside this? And I think this is like a poster or something. I don't know, we'll see. And it has arrived in pretty great condition. I'm really happy. And yes, I don't want to delay this any further because there are two boxes to unbox. So yeah, let's just open it up right away. Yay! Smooth like butter. Okay. Ooh. Damn. I'm so happy. I'm really excited. It's the same excitement that I had when I received my very first album, B. Wow. It's packed really well. I'm very happy. Okay. Firstly, oh, that's the bill. Okay. Ooh, the boxes are nice. Okay, first let's see what all we got. Oh, this is like a film strip. Okay. I got Namjoon! Oh my god, I got Namjoon and Seokjin! I am so happy. Is this like a... Oh man. Okay. These are the posters, I think. Folded again. Oh my god, I can't believe I got Namjoon and Seokjin! Huh? How did you know? How did you know, Hybe? How did you know this beautiful boy is my bias? How did you know? Wow, this looks amazing. I don't want to put the finger and ruin it. Oh man. And the iconic Seokjin? Really? I feel so lucky. So I got Namjoon. How cool. How cool. Okay. I'm just gonna keep it here. Let's look at the posters and then we unbox. Okay. Oh, this is quite a big poster. I'll come back from my holiday and I'll rearrange everything. Dude! Okay, sorry, I shouldn't shout. The entire poster is not gonna be visible, but I'll show you. Oh man, are you seeing this? Look at Yoongi! Oh, this poster is really good. I love it. Of course, the entire thing is not gonna be visible. Damn, I love this poster. I'll come back from my holiday and I'll, you know, redecorate my wall. This is the second one. Oh, this is the beach one. Guys, armies. Man, these posters are huge, huh? In size. I love it. I love both the posters so much. Just amazing. Just amazing. Wow. Oh, these are huge posters. They're gonna cover such a huge chunk of my wall. I'll see how I use these. Oh, because these two posters, I definitely want to put them up. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. Wow, the box quality usually is great. Okay, let's first open this one. This is peaches, right? Let's keep Namjoon aside for now. Let's open this box first. Tan -tan. I'm wondering whose photo cards I'll get. I'll just remove everything. अरे ये भी निकल गया. That's the CD. That's the CD. Butter, permission to dance. Butter instrumental, permission to dance instrumental. That's the CD. Oh, these are the stickers. So I can use them to decorate this box if I want to. Enjoy the waves. Happy birthday to Do Check. It's quite nice, very cute. I purple you, but this one is take a picture. Cute stickers. I like the stickers. These are nice. This is the lyrics for Permission to Dance. So beautiful. It's the thought of being young when your heart sounds like a drum, beating louder than the way you got it. And of course, these are the credits over here. That's butter. Smooth like butter, like criminal under. Oh, fine. I know I sing horribly. So this is the credit, of course. Gang vocal, RM Sugar, J-Hope. Of course, this song also has been produced, like Namjoon is there over here. Vocal arrangement, P-Dog. Wow. So these are the two songs over here. Okay. I don't know what photo card I'll get. Okay, this is so cute. I love it. I love it. This photograph. Them just enjoying in the beach. Aww. They look so happy. This is so colorful, this entire like box and all, you know, it's just bound to make you happy. I'll keep it here. Huh? Hope everything is visible. Let me open this. I got a message from Hobby. Yes, my sunshine. Aww. I love you so much. Adorable. Though I want to know what's written. Huh? I don't know what this message is. BTS J-Hope. Oh man. Today, tomorrow. I don't know if somebody knows how to read Korean. Can let me know. I got a message from my Hope. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh man. Cuto. I'll keep it like this. I'll keep it like this. Okay. Oh, this is like a stand. This is the same thing in the poster, so I can just... oh, I'm horrible at this. Here you go. So I can just put this for decoration. Like this. Okay. Before we move on to the photo book, and drum roll. Oh, Yungo Bongo. I love him. Look at this cuto. Look at this cutie pie. Oh man. See? This is like, can you see like how fate works? Soap here. I got soap, like a combo of soap. I don't know which is the. Then Namjoon. Like, dude, I feel so lucky. I really feel very lucky right now. So I got the Yoongi photo card. Oh man, dude, I cannot believe. Like, this is so I feel like destiny. Huh? Message from Hobby, photo card, Yoongi. So this is like a complete soap moment over here. I got soap and I got Namjoon. Like, talk about being ultra lucky. I feel very lucky. Okay, now we are going to look at the photo book. I'll just move everything aside. I'll keep this like this, probably. Message from Hobby. Oh, Yungu Pungu. Love it. I just love it. Love it so much. Okay. Then this beautiful photo. And Namjoon. Okay. And this, of course, is the... Okay, let us look at photo book. Should I zoom in a little? Huh? I think this is okay. Okay. I hope it's visible. Armies zoomed in. Damn. I love this is probably one of the best photo shoots that I've seen. Damn, they look really hot, in the butter and permission to dance photo shoots. Look at this dude. I really want to know what is the message. Like, really, they got the car washing idea. Can you believe that? Hobie is so awesome. Oh man, are you kidding me? Park Jimin, look at this photo. Yeah. Armies, are we dead? I think we are dead. I think we are so dead. I love this photo so much. Look at Jimin over here. Damn! So freaking hot. Oh man, look at this photo. I really love this photo shoot. Yeah. Kill me, please kill me now. Look at this photograph of Seokjin. Dude just doesn't age. I'm sorry. This is his era. For me, butter is owned by Seokjin. I love this photograph. This is my favorite photograph of Seokjin from the photo shoot. Staring into our souls. Like, the dude is just so freaking good looking. He's the definition of, I don't know, being perfect. If looks could kill, why did he have to give such an intense gaze? He is really the definition of a real life prince for me. Like, really, cast him in a Disney movie, man. Make him the prince. My baby bro. His birthday is approaching. I'll really find time. Let me see. I really want to do a Jungkook special on his birthday. Let me know what I can. I'll find out the time. Cuto. He's so like a cutie pie. Adorable. He'll always be a bunny, no matter what. Always be a bunny. I'm okay. I'm totally okay. I am not dying. His birthday is also coming. Of course, his birthday and my mom's birthday, same date, 12 September. So, oh man, yeah. I don't think I'll ever get wrecked by any other BTS member. Namjoon's hold is so freaking strong. He's my ultimate bias in everything. It's just gonna be that. I know in my heart. I can say it very confidently because I'm so sure of it. I'm so glad that he's my bias. Oh man, this photo, I love this photo. This is my favorite in the photo shoot. Like, this is like a mixture of cute, hot, sexy, innocent, everything. This is also a nice photo, but this is my favorite one. Yoongi though is like becoming ultra hot day by day. Something has happened to Yoongi, huh? After he started hitting the gym. See, guys, that's why exercise is important. When you are in your best physique, okay. When you are in your best physique, I mean, you feel confident from inside. That's what I feel. Are you okay, Yoongi bias armies? Prepare to die. Look at him. I am just like, let's compare. Let's compare. Look at the duality. Oh my god. Like, are you kidding me? Oh man, this has to be one of my favorite photos. Oh, just amazing. The denims are really working for me, huh? The entire denim look. Okay, something is really happened to Yoongi. Like, once again, the freaking duality. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, the gorgeous, my favorite vocalist. So handsome, so handsome, so freaking handsome. Taeyang is just so handsome. You know, whenever I look at Taeyang, I feel like, you know, his face is the perfect, like he just knows how to work the camera so well. It's like he's not even trying. He's such a model material. If he wasn't a singer, he would have surely been a very successful model. He has what it takes. So freaking good looking. I'm so happy he has the dark hair. Like, this is my favorite look on him. Always. I've said it like numerous times. Taeyang in black hair is my absolute favorite. This is the photo I love. This is this one. When the photos had released, this is my favorite one. I really am dying for his mixtape to get released. Apparently, like 12 to 13 songs they're gonna have. Imagine 12, 13 songs of just Kim Taeyang. I'll go to heaven, man. I'll really go to heaven. Oh, man. Okay, let me just. Yeah. Namjoon is just becoming bulkier day by day. Like, dude, like, what the hell? The stylist really knows how to bring their personalities out. Like, I love how the stylist thinks. Like, he's literally looking like a real life prince over here. Look at him, just completely giving off the leader aura. He to looks savage. He's looking like a mixture of Sugar, August D, Min Yoongi. Him looking like a complete bunny. Him to looking like, oh my god, I'm gonna kill you all, ladies. Look at Jimin. Oh wow. Him completely giving off the model vibes. And he to looks like a sunshine no matter what. Though I wish they both were standing together to, you know, like Soap, Women Cook and Namjoon would have been nice. It's okay. You know, the random photographs. This is what I live for. This is what I live for. You can see how happy they are. This is like, I'm so happy with these photo shoots because, you know, when I saw the video, the shooting, like the Bangtan bomb, so this is to the beach. So all the beach photos now. So they look really happy with this photo shoot. Oh man, I love what he's wearing, huh? Look at this outfit. It's gorgeous. It's freaking gorgeous. So good looking. This hair color really worked on him. The butter color. Love it. Love it. Hobie's just owned it. Yeah, seriously. Not very easy to pull off this hair color. Really nice. Damn. The red hair just works for me. I've said it before also. I think it's Taeyang and Jimin can really pull off any hair color for me. Wow. Aw, this is nice. I like this. Cute. Damn, Taeyang in a bandana. That's what I live for. Love it. Love it. Love it. I don't know how Taeyang does his model face. I really want to learn that, the trick. These kind of expressions are a trick to really good photos. Yeah. Oh man, this photograph. I'm okay. I'm calm. I'm not screaming inside. Oh man. I like what he's wearing. Okay, I want this shirt now. It's so cool, this shirt. The floral print. See the expression. That's what I'm talking about. I want to learn how to do this model face. He does it so effortlessly, man. Look at him. Damn, his features are insane. See? I want to learn. Kim Taeyang, teach us, please. How do you do this? What a photograph, man. I just love it. You know, I was not planning to buy Butter. I was not planning to buy this album, but when I saw the photographs, I said I have to own this because the photo shoot is just insanely good. All the photographs are just so good. Look at them. I just love when they laugh like this so beautifully. How is he even real? How is this person like existing? I'm sorry, I've never seen such perfect features in my life. Ever. Prince. Really. Definition of a prince. Oh my god. I have no words. Yes, baby bro. Jungkook be like, let me just take a nap in between. Oh, what a photo. Oh, wow. Just wow. Look at this. Wow. The hair is gorgeous. He's also so gorgeous. Wow. What a nice photo. I love this beach concept. It's just so colorful and lively. This is the cloth that he's wearing in the photo card. Yes, the beach one. Yoongi's that car wash photograph is just insanely good. I like this pant that he's wearing. It's really nice. Just gorgeous, man. You can see that this was a very fun photo shoot for them. They look so comfy and nice. This location is also nice. I forgot which beach it is. They actually said that in the video, the behind the scenes of the photo shoot. Forget the name. Nice photo. I really like how they have nicely done the coloring over here. It was not that blue, but it's nice. I like how they've enhanced the color. It looks really nice. Oh, this is a message from them? I'll have to use a translator. Everybody has written a message. Oh, this is amazing. I'll have to use a translator to just see, you know. I can only understand 2021. Anything else I can understand? Nothing. It's talking about... Oh, this is amazing. I'm guessing the other version also will have the same message. This is a message from everyone. Oh man. I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. I'll find out. I'll find out what is written. That's so sweet. I mean, a personal message. This is something I really like. This made me very happy. This made me very happy. So there's a message from everyone. And these are the credits. Oh wow. A very nice book. Really one of my favorite photos. This is one of my favorite photo shoots. So that's the photo book. And that concludes box 1 of Butter. So these are the stuff. I'll just show you once again. Message from Hobie and the stand and both of these. Wow, just amazing. I am so happy I bought this. Oh no, cute. So cute. Okay, that's the first box. Should I just... Okay, that's the first box. Now we're gonna open... I'm guessing this is the cream version. Let's open this. Okay, this got a little destroyed. This box got a little destroyed while it was traveling from South Korea, but it's okay. I mean, still, at least this is completely fine. This got a little bit... Okay, no problem. Okay, let us open this box now. This is the cream version. This will have the mafia photo shoot. Huh? See? My phone, my fan. Okay. That's the CD. This will also obviously have the stickers. So these will be the same things, obviously. The stickers. Then the lyrics. Then the photo. These both are the same photo, right? I think so. Let me just recheck. I think it's the same photo. Yeah, it's the same photo. It's the same photo. Yes! This is so like this one. I have a message from my baby brother which I will not understand at all, but it's okay. Oh man. Yes! Yes! Frickin' yes! I have a message from Jungkook. This is like, you know, Raksha Bandhan just got over. So this is, I sent him virtual love and virtual Rakhi, and he has sent me a message back. So this was all meant to be. Okay guys, this was all meant to be. I was supposed to receive a beautiful message from my baby brother. Yes. Okay, and this would be also, oh, this is this one. Here, though, Yoongi's look is just next level. Yoongi and Seong with the long hair, like, dude. Oh, I can't wait to see the photo book for this. So this is the one, the stand. I'll use both of them. Okay, are we ready? Tan tan tan. Oh! Oh! Oh, this was also destiny. You know why? Because Seokjin and Min Yoongi, they are roommates. So I got both the roommates. He is adorable. I am sorry. He's just so freaking adorable. Oh man. I'm laughing at this. So cute. So freaking cute. Okay. So that's Seokjin. Oh wow, I'm so happy I got Seokjin and Yoongi. And both of them, of course, are roommates. So this was also meant to be. This is, I mean, come on. Come on. Like, come on. Of course it was meant to be. And now we'll look at the photo book. I'll just zoom in a little on the camera. Oh, sorry, I'm zooming out. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, here we go. Let us begin. Okay, dead. Please. Dead. Already dead. Oh my god. Are you trying to kill me, Kim Namjoon? You are also killing me. You are killing me. You are killing me. You are killing me. You are killing me. And you already killed me before. Yes, yes. Oh, this is, oh, I think I'm more excited for this photo book because the prison concept. Okay, guys. Yeah, yeah. Let us get ready to die. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Jikook bickering? So cute. Everybody's trying to, solve. Playing Mafia? Are they playing Mafia? How ripped has he become, yeah? I'm sorry. I can't handle all this, okay? Yes. Amazing. I really wanted. This is the reason why I wanted to own this album. The photographs are just incredible. Oh wow. Just wow. Wow, just the hair color. Oh man. The highlights are just so cool. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Just see this. Oh goodness. Why is he making these kind of eyes, huh? He's not supposed to kill us like this. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. Oh. The freaking duality! Oh god! Really? Just. Okay. The freaking duality, man. Oh wow. नामजून का सिर्फ स्लीव्स आया है यहाँ पे. Yoongi in this photo shoot with that mullet, like, what the hell, man? Oh, I can't. This is too much, guys. Oh. Are you seeing these photos? Look at this one. Bunny! Cute. I really like this photo. This is one of my favorite photos. He's adorable, man. Jungkook. और तुम तो भाई Jimin तो doesn't know. Jimin has forgotten the word calm. He's never gonna be calm. This is one of my favorite photos of Jimin in the photo book. Just the makeup and everything is just so perfect. I want to learn how to do such perfect makeup. The accessories, it just works. The entire look works for me. Oh man, wow. I'm sorry, Yoongi को मतलब जिसने भी style किया ना with the mullet and the choker and like this is like death for all of us. Even his long hair, I love it. I love it. His photographs came out so good with the leather jacket and all of that. Oh my god. How does he do this amazing model face? I want to know. Look at his eyes. So beautiful. Yep. I am totally fine, armies. Like after looking at this photo, I'm totally fine. Here he's looking like so mischievous, but here, okay, I'm fine, I'm fine. Dude, why did you have to become my bias, man? It's giving me heart attack. Oh goodness. Why do they do these close-ups? Not that I'm complaining. Oh wow. Nice. All the photographs are so nice. Police department. Very creative. Very creative. Wow. He looks amazing with this, highlights and all of that. I really love what they have done with the hair. Park Jimin. My mom and Namjoon share the same birthday, and my husband's birthday is closest to Jimin's. His is on 15th October. Jimin's is on 13th. So both are Libras. Just amazing. The red hair really worked for me in this photo shoot. Okay. Wow. What a photo, man. What a photo. His makeup is perfect. His hair is perfect. His look is perfect. His accessories are perfect. Look at this. He's perfect. Stunning. This photo is stunning. Seokjin. Amazing. Iska to matlab I have never seen a perfect face than this. Just amazing. Just the color combination and everything. What a beautiful photo shoot. Oh. Why is he doing these eyes again and again? His hair is amazing. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Jungkook. I'm liking that he has pulled up the sleeves, showing the tattoos. Really like this photograph. Looks so menacing. He actually looks like a smooth criminal over here. Actually, the tattoo is just working with the entire look. Wow. The close-up shots are incredible. All of these guys' close-up shots are incredible. Just incredible. Am I ready? Am I ready to look at you? Okay, I'm ready. Damn it. He's really like getting ripped. He's so freaking ripped, man. It's good, it gives me motivation also. Looking at these guys, how hard they work. Oh, my god, these close-up photos are really good, huh? Love how the coloring and everything, the styling. His hair is so good. I don't know why his hair is reminding me of his hairstyle in Fake Love. You know, he was the cool hairstyle dude for me when I first saw him. Wow. His eyes. Yeah. Okay, yeah, let's move on. Oh, I know his is gonna be so incredible, man, with the mullet. Okay, Yoongi. Dude, Yoongi is just killing it in this look. I don't know, man, something about him in this look. Are we ready for the close-up? I am not ready. Are you seeing this, guys? Armies. Seong, he's the gonna kill it, man. He's the gonna kill it. I really like this photo. जब ये photo release हुआ था, I loved it at that point of time also. Looks amazing. Okay, Seong's. Oh, okay. How are these guys so perfect, man? I know how are these guys so perfect because they worked hard for it. You cannot achieve all of this without hard work, putting in your time and effort, losing sleep. I mean, whenever I look at them, I just remember the hard work, the pain that they had to go through to achieve this success. It didn't come overnight, na, guys. It didn't come overnight. It's years and years they had to wait, and then the growth was so exponential. And the fact that they have remained so humble despite of achieving so much success. I mean, they are literally owners at Hybe right now. Like, they have the shares, they own the company. They had nothing. I just get amazed. I'm sorry, armies. I'm just getting a little emotional even thinking about it. They had literally they had nothing, and look at where they are now. It's just sheer hard work and determination. Hard work will never go to waste, guys. You guys should always be inspired looking at them. I mean, it's a pleasure to look at them because they're gorgeous, but I think whenever I look at them, the first thing which comes in my mind is that, you know, they just motivate me. Whenever I'm stuck, I just feel, I don't know, I've never felt this before, but I just feel like I just put myself in their shoes and I think if they can do it, so can I. And they have gone through even worse. So what am I complaining about? It's like that. That's how they inspire me all the time. This is the same message I feel. The individual messages, yeah, it's the same message, just different photographs. I'll find out what they are. Beautiful. Cute. So cute. And yeah, those are the credits. And yes, that is the second photo book of Butter. I'll just get the resolution back. Okay, so here we have, that's the second box, Cream. Beautiful. I'll probably gift this to someone because I have two, right? So I can gift it to someone, or I'll just make use of it somehow. So that's the second photo book. I absolutely loved both the photos. Ah, so cute. So this is the first box. These are the 2 strips I got. I'm so happy. Namjoon. I got Namjoon. And this is the second box. I love it. And these are the posters. These are huge, but such great posters. I don't know how I'll use them, but I'll make use of them somehow. Okay, this is the second one. I really like this poster. The prison one. It's amazing. This is going to take a full wall, I feel. Though if I put both the poster, it'll take one full. It's huge. It's huge. So yes, guys, that was the unboxing video for Butter, Permission to Dance Butter album. I'm really happy I bought this. I really wanted to buy this because I loved all the photographs when they came out. So I said, I was really not planning on buying it. But couldn't help myself. And it was so worth it. I love the goodies. I love the stickers, everything. And yes, guys, that was the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do share what was your favorite photograph and all of that from both the boxes. And yes, that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I can post it soon because I'll be traveling. So yeah. Okay, guys, do subscribe to the channel if you like K-pop content, and yep, do follow the Instagram account. The link is in the description box, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.